When you do, listen to that, guys. Sounds incredible. Better sounding than the STL, I'm telling you. Wow. I love those pops, man. I love them. Yeah, it does feel a lot like the STL, but we're gonna hit it a little bit here. What's up, guys? We're driving the all-new Huracan Tecnica. Let's go. This is sick. It even has orange seatbelts, guys. Let's go. What's up, guys? We're driving the all-new Huracan Tecnica. Very exciting. Sounds incredible. Wow. At lower RPMs, it sounds better than the STO, actually. I believe this has the Acropovic exhaust. That's probably why. Taking off. Love the crackles and pops. Yeah, like a street version of the STO, it feels like to me. I just love these Huracans, man. They're just so great. They drive great. You got that V10. Nothing stopping you with that V10. Right now we're in sport mode, but for some reason below 4,000 RPM the exhaust shuts off. Like, I guess that's an emissions thing from Lamborghini. So you got to really rev up the car to hear the sound. When you do, it really goes. I just hit the gas hard and it just downshifts instantly in sport mode. That's the thing that the STO is missing, sport mode. I love sport mode. Sometimes I don't want to hit the paddles all the time. I just want to cruise and, you know, sport mode. Yeah. Drive, guys, because we're going to be fixing the exhaust in the next video on this car, so it'll be sounding great all the time. No more shutting off. We're going to get the valve controller on off switch. It's going to be epic. Let's drive in Strada mode a little bit. So this is Strada. It's just comfort basically, or STO mode in the STO. Just relaxed drive. It has magnetic suspension, so basically what's happening now is the car is just in its loosest mode, so it's going to handle all the bumps much better than sport or Corsa mode. Yeah, it drives really good. It's basically an Audi right now, an Audi A4, A5. Like, it's crazy. You could go from one click of the button to a supercar race car to Audi. It's great. And let's go to Corsa mode now, guys. Downshifts are instant. And in Corsa mode, things get rough. The magnetic suspension stiffens for better handling. Downshifts are pretty much instantaneous with the dual clutch, 7-speed. Love the crackles and pops. At 5,000, you let off, boom, it crackles. It's so sick. And this is a new car, so we're not gonna redline it or anything, you know, that won't be nice. Just a little bit, you know, breaking it in nice. Italian braking. Listen to that, guys. Sounds incredible. Better sounding than the STL, I'm telling you. Wow. I love those pops, man. I love them. Lambo, baby, Lambo. The best of all worlds in the Huracan Tecnica. It is actually one of the first in the country, believe it or not. We got an early delivery on this. Shout out to Lamborghini Long Island, hooking us up. Ask for Marco when you go. He's the best Lamborghini salesman. Wow, this thing is sick. It drives amazing. Yeah, it does feel a lot like the STO. The STO is more agile in the corner, better handling, but for a regular person, they won't be able to tell the difference. But for someone like me that I know the differences, you can feel it. Again, guys, we're not going to red line, but we're going to hit it a little bit here. 6,000. Wow. This feels amazing. And the visibility from the back, you can actually see out of it, unlike the STO. It's like a street version of the STO. Go back into sport mode automatic. Just chilling now. Car is amazing. Bang for the buck, this is the car on Lamborghini, I'm telling you. Starts to like in the 200s. Mid 200s. This car is amazing for the price. I mean, Corvette Z06s are going for 300 now, so I mean, might as well get a Lambo at that point, to be honest with you. But the Corvette Z06 is sick for the MSRP price. Definitely would like to get one in the future, hopefully. We'll see. Very hard to get. I love the downshifts on the V10 engine. Amazing. And this car actually has a functionality package which has the lift. So we're gonna put that up. Going back to Lamborghini Long Island here. And yeah, this is sick. Absolutely insane car. Strada mode, so you can actually hear me. For the value of this car, really good value. Almost an STO, I'm telling you. Nice and comfortable too. Best of all worlds, like Lamborghini advertised, between the Evo and the STO. Look at these sick cars. Aventador S, STO. Look at that. And we're back. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for Crazy Cars New York for lending us the car today. And he's actually a big supporter of the channel, so we're going to see it more often on the channel. He's a good friend of mine. Subscribe to his channel. Really help him out build his channel. He's new to YouTube, so give him a subscribe. Thank you.